What a great day to be a student.
We're here for the exclusive unveiling of the plans behind the exciting new facility by the Boys and Girls Club of Martin County.
Where we're standing now will be home to our new 38,000 square foot Boys and Girls Clubs. The first publicly accessible gym to the residents of East Stewart.
Not only is it going to serve kids in a collaborative way with our schools, it's going to provide career and technical education options and partnerships with our students, but it's actually going to be a beautiful centerpiece too.
Truly, to be able to build a building on this campus and to be near the schools and to be working so closely with the Martin County school system, it has been really a dream come true for us.
Sounds to me like a pretty great place to be, doesn't it?